If we want to fit our Excel worksheet on a single page, from the upper menu, we are coming to View, clicking this, and from Workbook Views, we are clicking Page Break Preview. As you can see, the table data cannot fit on a single page, and we have the watermarks, page 1 and page 2. And as you can see, there is a slight dashed border in the middle. Click and hold the left mouse key and drag until the end of each column. As you can see, we have now the watermark page 1. The page 2 watermark has disappeared. That means all data now fits on a single page. Clicking normal, and now from our keyboard, press and hold Control and press P. And as you can see from the print preview, our worksheet data now fits on a single page. I'm going to show you also the second way, closing this. And once again, we are pressing and hold the Control key and pressing P. And when we try to scroll down, as you can see, we have two separated pages. That means our Excel worksheet data cannot fit on a single page. As you can see from the pager, we have two pages. Don't worry, we're gonna fix this. From the very bottom, we have no spacing. Drop down menu, we're clicking the down arrow, and from here we're gonna select Fit Sheet on one page. Clicking this, and as you can see, once again, we fit all Excel worksheet data on a single page. And this is how simple you can fit your worksheet on one page.